MillMage offers a 30-day trial with no limits. You get full access to the software to test drive it before committing to making a purchase. This is a great way to get hands on experience with the software and workflow, and to verify compatibility with your specific machine's hardware. In this video, we'll cover getting MillMage installed on both Windows and Mac OS. As for specs, MillMage does not require a powerful computer for most work, although more memory is helpful for elaborate designs. As with most things, having a faster computer will make it easier to work with large images and complex graphics. To ensure you're downloading the latest version of MillMage, make sure to use the link found on the download and trial page at millmagesoftware.com. The downloads page will automatically detect which operating system you're using and present it as the highlighted option. For Windows, click on the highlighted link and save the installation file somewhere on your computer where you can easily find it. Usually, the file will save automatically to your Downloads folder. Once the download completes, double-click on the file to begin the installation process. Click Next to create a MillMage installation folder. Next again to confirm the Start menu folder, and one final time to create a shortcut on your desktop. Then click Install on the summary page to begin installing the program. After the install completes, click Finish to launch MillMage. For Mac OS, click on the highlighted link and save the installation file somewhere on your computer where you can easily find it. Once the download completes, double-click on the file to open it in your Finder window. Then click and drag it into the Applications folder. Double-click on MillMage from the Applications folder in Finder, or search for it in your apps and select it to open it. The first time you open it after installing, you'll get a warning telling you that this app was downloaded from the internet, and will need to click Open to confirm and run MillMage. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed MillMage on your computer. The next step is to create a device profile for your machine and start designing your first project. We've put together a MillMage Getting Started playlist that walks you through the entire process. If you have any additional questions, check out our documentation linked in the description, or contact our support team. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos on mastering MillMage.